have any snacks? Just open up your makeup bag and take out foundation sauce, condensed milk cream, jelly lipstick, and chocolate eyebrow gel. We have prepared new edible makeup ideas for you. Help yourself! Blackie is on a healthy diet. Her salads can win any cooking award. Finely chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, some pepper, and some foundation. Mix ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise together. Pour the sauce into an empty foundation bottle. The blue-eyed girl ruined the whole recipe. Why would cucumbers need foundation? Their green skin tone is already neutral and even. Blackie is puzzled. Cucumber plus tomato plus foundation equals a great salad. My friend must be crazy. Eating foundation? Now this is an intense beauty diet. But the blue-eyed girl stuffs her face with the salad. Well, Blackie tries this foundation salad too. What if it's actually delicious? This tea is way too boring. There is not enough sugar in it. I need to make it special instead. Let's make it taste brighter with our blush. Sprinkle glazed nuts with cocoa and powdered sugar. Mix them so that the nuts are entirely covered with sweet chocolate powder. And put them into an empty blush jar. Sprinkle food pearl powder on top. Why would Blackie put blush into her mouth? Strange. This must be a new kind of delicacy. I try to apply this blush to my face, but my friend tells me not to waste the product. It's better to eat this blush with tea because it is made from delicious nuts. Unfortunately, we ran out of this exquisite blush way too fast. And there is a whole candy shop in my friend's makeup bag. Let's pick something out for my cookie. Crush blueberries in a mortar and sift them. Add condensed milk. Mix it and fill a small jar with the mixture. Decorate the cap with a picture of berries. This face cream will be excellent for your cookie. And you won't be hungry anymore. It's an amazing 2-in-1 product. It's a pity that all these beauty products disappear so quickly. And now there is only real makeup left in Blackie's makeup bag. Let's play the beauty game, Fun Tag. It burns calories, builds up your leg muscles, and makes your skin tone better. Except that you get really thirsty after it. Here we go, my Sprite, but my friend manages to snatch the bottle away. It's great that I've got a drinkable setting spray. Pour Sprite into an empty spray bottle and add food pearl powder to it. I always have my beauty bottle with me. I spray it right onto my tongue. The blue-eyed girl wants to try it too. Now my spray is more interesting than a regular bottle of Sprite. It's all about glitter. I have to wait an hour in order to take a normal selfie with my friend. She keeps fixing her makeup, smoothing her eyebrows, and doing her hair, but she's still not satisfied with the result. No way! Enough is enough! I'm not going to wait any longer. Cut off a piece of a bubble gum stick and twist it to make a thin strip and insert it into an old retractable eyeliner. I offer a new eyeliner to Cindy. It's a retractable eyeliner with bubble gum to get you into the mood. Do you like this idea? But she is not excited. You can't apply bubble gum to your eyes. On the other hand, you will get a sad eye effect in all your selfies for sure. Ruthless Blackie decides to prank her friend. Let's see how it feels when you apply chocolate instead of makeup. We will need an empty eyeshadow palette. Take white and milk chocolate. Put each into different containers.